Hello, here is Dinar and you are watching a video digest in which we cover the most important events in the history of the string transport development and the Skyworld community company over the past week. In this release, Unitsky String Technologies continues the work to develop the transport infrastructure of El Salvador. Delegation of Brest State Technical University visits Unitsky String Technologies company. The SWC ambassador in Latin America has given a lengthy interview. Let us not waste time and get straight to the first event. Unitsky String Technologies continues the work to develop the transport infrastructure of El Salvador. Presidential Commissioner for Strategic Projects Christian Flores earlier announced the government's plans to use the uSky technology. Now the Sansonet government and representatives of Unitsky String Technologies are carrying out the route planning for the development of the transport infrastructure of the city. One of the options is integration of the uSky complex with the Pacific Railway, which is being built under the presidential program. The delegation of Brest State Technical University has visited Unitsky String Technologies company. During the visit, the CEO of UST, Nadezhda Kosareva, and the rector of the BSTU, Alexander Bakanovich, signed an agreement on cooperation in research and engineering personnel training. During the meeting, both sides also talked about other key directions of work. Among them is the joint holding of scientific events, lectures and practical classes, the implementation of joint innovation projects, as well as interaction in a number of other areas. Entrepreneur and ambassador in Latin America, Olga Veronica Seragvostova, has given a lengthy interview to SWC representatives about her journey with the company, technologies and her plans for the future. The expert spoke about the community in the Dominican Republic, the status of member of the Multilateral Forum of the Dominican Government Ethics Group under the UN, and the opportunities and perspectives for all company partners. That has been all news for today. Please do put your likes and leave your comments for this release. See you!